Good morning, everyone. Hope you are having a great Blue Monday. I don't know if you can be able to hear me because of having audio errors there and there and screen errors there and there. But then, if you can be able to hear me, it's all good, perfect. It's all good. Hope Lemnat and ready to learn other things. I've been starting with a few basic concepts on Word, document, Excel. Now I'm doing a few basic concepts on PowerPoint. The reason I'm starting with few basic concepts, guys, is because of some of us never ever had the privilege to own a laptop or to be able to access laptops back then. So now, as we are doing courses like office administration and management assistance, it comes as a challenge, guys, and there are a few things that you just need to learn so that you can be able to familiarize yourself with the computer. So moving forward, as you can see on the screen right now, I just want to show you a few things, guys. Let's start with the first slide. Right on the first slide, you'll find it is called the title slide. We have different kinds of slides. As you see here, as I'm clicking the drop down arrow here, you have different kinds of slides. We have the title slide, title and content, section header. I'm not sure if the section header is the same as the title slide or not. To content, comparison, title only, the blank, content with caption, picture with caption, so forth and so forth. But then I don't know if there are more. So what's happening here, guys, is that you are able to write a title and the subtitle. Say for example, right now I just wrote Zamalek Ahmed. I don't know what it is, but then I just decided to say it's a business of news feeds. You see, so you are able to click here and highlight and edit to whatever preferences. Like I always show you, editing, increasing the font, changing the font type, you see, underlining, if they say you should underline, center it, or put it on the right, on the left, things like that, you guys. And then also on the add subtitle, on the subtitle placeholder, you are able to just click and be able to highlight it and do whatever you like with it, you see, things like that. So moving on to the third slide, it is the one of title and content. Here on title and content, you are able to actually add things like this. Do you see? Let me just move this to here. I'm sorry about that. Did you see what I just did by moving slides? If I had made a mistake similar to that one, instead of this slide being here between 3 and 4, I just clicked on it, click on it, hold it like this, and yeah, put it in the right place, because of it is the same slide as this one. You see, title or content here. Then I just put a picture. I'll be showing you how to put pictures, graphs, and also on the content areas. Then moving forward, you'll be having this kind of a slide. This one is called the comparison. Say you want to tell us maybe about on this here, on this headings. This is where you may put headings of what you will be writing about or typing about in here. So just like say the likes or dislikes, then here you have added your main heading. I don't know what you will be talking about. Let's say for instance you are comparing COVID, like that, editing the heading so that it can look presentable, like that. So you are able to click here and write whatever the likes of COVID and the dislikes of COVID, things like that, you see. So now let me show you how to add anything here. If you want to add something, let's say inside a table, just click on it, then it will just pop up like this. Then you are able to insert the chart, you are able to insert smart art or pictures, online pictures as you have, or even videos, things like that. Let me show you with this one how I did it. I just clicked on pictures, then here it is. Then you get to click on whatever picture that you want to use, insert, you see. Then you are able to adjust it to your likings. You are able to adjust it the way you like it so that it can look nice, just like that. Again, you are able to insert a chart. You will be given certain information just by clicking OK. Then it will. So what's going to happen is that depending on the information that will be given, let's say here you have to write, you just have to double click. You see this is so the information that is here. So along with whatever information that you will be given, and you are able to design the graph to your liking, you see, in many different ways. So now having to, let me show you how to add or delete a slide. If you want to add a new slide, you just press here and then choose whatever slide that you want to use, or the instruction by the examiner is saying to use perhaps maybe to content or comparison. Then you are able to just click it, then voila, there it is. Also, if you want to delete a slide, you are able to just right click, then delete the slide. Say maybe you also want to change the layout of a certain slide, you just click on it. Do you see? I just clicked here, then press on layout, and then get to change it. You see? Then it is changed. You are able to change the slides on your own. Another thing that usually pops up in the examinations is how to design, adding transitions or animations, things like that. Do you see here on the animation, the ribbon is not active? So in order for the ribbon to be active, what you have to do is just to click. somewhere. It's either on the title or the subtitle, or it depends on the slides. So you are able to work with things like this. You understand? So coming to designing, if you are designing only the it's a single slide, you'll just click on that slide and then choose the design that you want. You see, that's how oh, okay, it designed the whole, I don't know, because of usually I get to use Slide Master so that I can be able to design the whole. But then it's fine. Let's continue. Just clicking here, then you are able to do like this. Let me check something very fast. Slide Master. Okay, it's fine, you guys. Let's continue. Then when things are like this, adding a transition, you are able to, you see, to check the transition of your preferences so that you can be able to know which one you want to use. And then if you wanted to apply to all the slides, if you check here, as soon as let me click on none, check here underneath the first slide. If I just click Y, then it shows that it is active. Then if I say apply all the slides will be active, you guys. If you check with this star, then you are able to set the duration, if the sound, things like that, and then the effects options so that you can move from top to bottom. You see, things like that. These are some of the basic stuffs you want to know about for now, because of our presentation. It's something that is it's also very important. It's also very important. You just have to know a few things like this. As time goes on, you'll be having to learn a lot of things. Here on the case of a transition, let me just make split. Then you see we are able to activate split on the title places, or even on the subtitle, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you see the picture. So if you want to check if everything is well, you just click here, right? Then you see this is your presentation. Then as you click the arrow going down, then it shows you different kind of slides that you have made. You see, this is so beautiful, like that. This is how presentation works. If you want to present, to do a proper and nice presentation, you see, just like that, you guys, just like that. You are able to make multiple or duplicates. Let's say if you want to copy this one, you just right click. See, if you want to duplicate slide, just press duplicate, then it is duplicated. Or you don't want to put it here, you just right click, copy it and point. You see, as I pointed here, then you just paste it, just like that. You see, it is as easy as that, you guys. It is as easy as that. It doesn't have to worry you much. It doesn't have to worry you much because of presentation is just a way of being playful. Oh, another thing that you should know about is when you have to print. A question may come and say to you that you should print certain slides per page. Then you're going to come, click view, then slide sorter. Oh, on slide sorter, it's a way of sorting your slides. If you want to take this one and put it here, this one put it somewhere, if you don't want to use the method that I showed you earlier. So you'll click here on is it handouts? Yes. Then click slide per page. Perhaps you want 2 slides per page, then this is how you're going to do it. Then close, then go and preview it to check if really you will be having 2 slides. Okay, in that side it doesn't allow us to do it. Then you'll come here, handouts, 2 slides per page. Then you see you'll be having 4 pages with 2 slides on each page. If you want to increase according to your instruction, that's how things are. You'll be able to do that, you guys. That's how everything is. So I hope you are learning something from the little that I'm contributing. Please, guys, be sure to comment, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, be sure to share, so that other people can be able to come and learn the little that I contribute. And your feedback is important. Your feedback is so important, because I will be able to know what you want to learn, or what you don't understand, or what do you want to understand as time goes. So as for me, be blessed.